All right, so good morning again, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. No, so today my short discussion is all about your balance scorecard. No, ano bang ibig sabihin ng balance scorecard? No, so sabi nila, it is part also of your responsibility accounting. No, ibig sabihin responsibility, you are accountable and you are responsible, and because of that, you have a performance measure. Okay. So what do you mean class of balance scorecard, no? So ibig sabihin, you are being measured not only in terms of financials but also non-financials. But what are the four criteria or four components of a balanced scorecard? Number one, very important daw is of course financials pa din, no? You're being assessed based on financials. My question, ano yung mga criteria or measurement, no, in terms of financials, no? Number one, pwede kang ma-assess in terms of sales. You're being assessed based on net income. You're being assessed based on profit, based on gross profit, based on OPEX. So, madami pa. It is based on financials. Number two, you're also being assessed based on internal business processes. So, what do you mean, class of internal business processes? From the word itself, process, ibig sabihin, ano bang ginagawa mo sa business? Pwedeng you're being assessed based sa manual system mo, or you're using SAP, or you're also using automated or automated system. Okay? So, yung ginagawa mo sa company ay based on the internal business processes. Number three, you're being assessed also based on the learning and growth. What do you mean class of learning and growth? It is people. Ibig sabihin, if there would be training, there would be parang development, career development sa ating mga empleyado at sa ating customer. Customer is training because of course, sila yung magiging kliyente natin, no? And number four, yes, you have customer, pero part pa rin yan ng ating components of the balance scorecard. Why? Because as part of the criteria, number four as customer is to be able for us, no, na ma-satisfy ang ating customer. The word here is customer satisfaction. Again, number one, financials. Number two, internal business processes. Number three is learning and growth. And the last one is all about customer. So again, thank you very much and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.